Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. I'd like to thank all of you. This week we hit 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Today I'm going to be taking you through a couple communities in several homes. We just acquired several homes that we're flipping out in Southern California, and then I'd like to show you some resales of this beautiful senior 55 plus manufactured housing community. I hope you enjoy this video. Also, remember to hit that subscribe button and ring that bell. We do premiere videos every week, several tours of tiny homes, manufactured homes, and mobile homes. Hope you enjoy this video. Pulling up here into Mobile Air. Mobile Air is an all-age community located in Covina, California. We have a different opportunity here. We're going to have between 3 and 4 resales. Mobile homes, they're older units. They're much smaller, but it's great opportunity here in Southern California. Typically, homes are really expensive, several $100,000 up to, several million. But in this area, we'll be able to get you into one of these trailers here between $20,000 and $30,000. It allows you to become homeowners, so it's still creating some great opportunity. So let's head to the first home tour. Hopefully, it's supposed to be all finished. The workers finished these homes the other day, so let's take a look at these homes. All right, as we're walking to the first home, I want to tell you a little bit about this community. It's a smaller community with smaller spaces, but driving and walking around, it's actually be a great place for you and your family to start off. There's a clubhouse where you can make use of hanging out in the area with your friends and your family, and then they also have a swimming pool. So that's really nice about this community, that you can go swimming whenever you'd like. So right here is the first home. As you can see, it's a small single wide trailer. I believe it is a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom, but you guys are gonna know, as much as I do because I just got here. So let's take a look at this first home. Again, we're in Mobile Air, and this space is E8. So if you're interested in purchasing this home, make sure you read that description. And let's go inside. I gotta go unlock this lockbox, and then we'll meet you inside. So now that we got this unlocked, let's go inside. Let's see what the first thoughts are of this home. It's nice. They painted it white. They did a great job, actually. This is a cozy home, so this isn't a large home. But for $20,000 to $30,000 in the state of California, not too bad, especially when you're in Los Angeles or you're just on the border of Orange County here. And then, so this is an original trailer. They've redone the flooring. Here is the bathroom. Let's check out this bathroom. So they did a nice job. It's a tub shower combo. Look at that sink. That's a little fancy sink there. Tell us what you think in the description. There's linoleum for the flooring. It's good quality. The quality of linoleum these days is really good. You don't have to worry about ripping holes or anything like that. It's a nice thick quality linoleum. And then there is the carpet. This home is much different than the homes that we've been showing you. If some of you are wondering what I do, I'm a manufactured home retailer. We have agents throughout the whole state of California that help residents in mobile home parks as well as community owners to help fill vacant spaces and get rid of their old homes. So this is one of the older homes that we're helping these community owners get rid of. They did a great quality here. I really do. I like this tile. What do you think about that tile? Very interesting. You don't see tile very much anymore. This is a decent sized kitchen. Again, this is a 1-bedroom, 1-bath home, a starter home. It's not meant to have all the bells and whistles. We wanted to make it really affordable, so we used all affordable materials. There's a nice new stove and oven. So this home has all its basic necessities. The next homes that we're going to be going through, they're going to be similar. But at the end of this video, I promise you, we have some amazing homes that are going to be coming your way. We're going to be going to a 55+ community in Anaheim, California. It's a 5-star community that's got all the amenities, so you're going to want to check it out. But now we are going to go to the third home. I'm already getting ahead of myself. Let's go over to space. It's across the street, they said. So let's see where this is here. It's either G5 or J10. I believe that's right over here. So let's meet you over at either E5 or J10. We'll see you in a few.